Welcome back to Grow My Saving. When it comes to investing, everyone wants to grow their money, but not everyone can handle the same level of risk. Some people can stay calm when the market drops. Others panic the moment their balance dips by 5%, and both are completely normal. Today, we're talking about risk tolerance, by what it is, how to understand yours, and how it shapes the kind of investor you should be. Simply put, risk tolerance is how much uncertainty you can emotionally and financially handle when investing. It's about answering this question: how would you feel if your investments dropped 20% next month? If that thought gives you anxiety, your tolerance is probably lower. If you'd see it as a buying opportunity, it's higher. Neither is wrong. What matters is knowing your comfort zone, so your strategy matches your personality. Because when your investments align with your emotions, you're more likely to stay consistent long term. Your risk tolerance isn't fixed. It's shaped by three main things. Your financial goals. If you're saving for retirement 30 years from now, you can afford more risk. But if you need the money in 2 years, you'll want safer investments. Your time horizon. The more time you have, the more market ups and downs you can ride out. Time reduces risk, because history shows markets recover over the long run. Your emotional personality. Some people love excitement and volatility, others prefer stability. Neither is better. The best plan is the one you can stick with without losing sleep. Here's a quick way to understand your comfort level. If market dips make you panic, you're conservative. If you can stay calm but cautious, you're moderate. If you see dips as buying chances, you're aggressive. Once you know where you stand, build a portfolio that fits you. For example, conservative, more bonds, stable funds, and cash. Moderate, balanced mix of stocks and bonds. Aggressive, mostly stocks or growth-focused investments. Remember, it's better to have a good enough plan you'll stick to than a perfect one you'll abandon. Understanding your risk tolerance helps you invest with peace of mind. You won't chase hype, panic sell in fear, or second guess your plan. Instead, you'll grow at a pace that feels right for you, because real investing success isn't about beating the market, it's about staying in the market long enough to reach your goals. Thanks for watching Grow My Saving. If this helped you understand your comfort zone, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone starting their investing journey. And don't miss our next video.